Battery-operated doorbell cameras offer simple installation and versatility, eliminating the need for complex wiring. This makes them ideal for any home, especially where traditional wired setups may be impractical. Today, we're comparing two popular battery-powered models, the Eufy Video Doorbell C30 and Ring Battery Doorbell. The Eufy C30 stands out with its 2K FHD clarity, local storage without monthly fees, and broad smart home compatibility, while the Ring model offers dependable HD video and seamless integration with Alexa. Let's explore how each of these options measures up for easy, effective home security. Starting with video quality, Eufy delivers an impressive 2K Full HD resolution. This level of clarity means you'll get vivid details, perfect for recognizing visitors or capturing small details, even in low-light conditions. The C30 also offers a 16:9 expanded view, which provides a wide field of view, showing you more of what's happening around your front door. On the other hand, the Ring Battery Doorbell comes with a 1440 by 1440 pixel resolution and a 150-degree vertical viewing angle. This head-to-toe perspective gives you a good view of visitors from their feet up to their faces, which is especially useful for package deliveries. However, it's not quite as sharp as Eufy's 2K, and it lacks color night vision. So, for crystal clear visuals, especially in low light, Eufy edges ahead. For real-time interaction, both doorbells have two-way audio, so you can talk to visitors no matter where you are. However, Eufy takes it a step further by providing video call notifications directly to your phone when someone rings the doorbell, simulating a FaceTime-like experience. It also includes the ability to set quick responses and allows visitors to leave voice messages when you're unavailable, which can be very handy. Ring's Battery Doorbell also has two-way audio with live view, so you can communicate with people at your door. However, some advanced notification features like person and package alerts require a Ring Protect subscription. While Ring's system works well, the added convenience of Eufy's built-in call functionality without subscription fees makes it more compelling for those who value real-time interaction without extra costs. One of the standout advantages of the Eufy C30 is its local storage option. With support for microSD cards up to 128 GB, Eufy lets you store video footage securely without any monthly fees. This local storage approach means you maintain full control over your data, which is a major plus for privacy-conscious users. The Ring Battery Doorbell, on the other hand, does require a subscription if you want to view or save recorded footage. The Ring Protect plan starts at $4.99 per month, unlocking video history, advanced notifications, and person or parcel detection. While it's affordable, this additional monthly fee could add up over time, especially if you're looking to use the doorbell long-term. Eufy wins here for offering a truly fee-free experience with ample local storage. If you're looking for seamless integration into your existing smart home, both doorbells have unique strengths. The Eufy C30 works with Alexa and Google Assistant, and you can even pair it with Eufy's Homebase 3, which adds up to 16 TB of additional storage and enables advanced AI capabilities. However, it does not support Apple HomeKit, which could be a drawback if you're deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem. Ring Battery Doorbell, by contrast, is designed for integration with Alexa, letting you hear announcements on Echo devices, view live feeds on Echo Show, and more. However, it doesn't support Google Assistant or HomeKit. So, if you're primarily an Alexa user, both devices will suit you. But Eufy's compatibility with both Alexa and Google makes it more versatile overall. Eufy's C30 includes several extra features that make it a well-rounded choice. Beyond just video and audio, Eufy uses intelligent motion detection, automatically categorizing events to reduce false alarms. And if you have other Eufy devices, Homebase 3 can even group related events across devices, creating a centralized log of what's happening around your home. Ring also has smart responses through quick replies, And with a subscription, you can even use seasonal message options like Halloween-themed replies. However, the need for a subscription to unlock these features could be a drawback, especially for those wanting a complete experience without ongoing costs. Both doorbells feature built-in rechargeable batteries. Eufy's C30 packs a 5,000 mAh battery, offering significant flexibility as you can install it anywhere without needing any wiring. Ring's Battery Doorbell also has a built-in battery and is equally easy to set up. However, to charge the Ring, you'll need to remove it from its mount and connect it via a USB-C cable, which could be a bit inconvenient. Price is, of course, a deciding factor for many buyers, and Eufy offers significant value at $64.99, especially considering its high-resolution video and no-fee storage. In contrast, the Ring Battery Doorbell starts at $99.99, making it more expensive upfront. While Ring's subscription-based features add functionality, they also create recurring costs, which can increase the total investment over time. If you want the sharpest visuals, no monthly fees, local storage, and flexible smart home compatibility, the Eufy Video Doorbell C30 is a fantastic choice. It's budget-friendly, subscription-free, and packed with useful features. On the other hand, if you're an Alexa power user and want that head-to-toe view with reliable notifications, the Ring Battery Doorbell is a solid pick, especially if you don't mind paying for a subscription to unlock additional features. So, which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below.